How to update flask-sqlalchemy row entry? Assume table has 3 columns, username, password and no underscore of underscore logins. When user tries to log in, it's checked for an entry with a query like. If password matches, he proceeds further. What I would like to do is count how many times the user logged in. Thus whenever he successfully logs in, I would like to increment the no underscore of underscore logins field and store it back to the user table. I'm not sure how to run update query with flask-sqlalchemy.
There are several ways to update using flask-sqlalchemy.
Examples to clarify the important issue in accepted answers comments. I didn't understand it until I played around with it myself, so I figured there would be others who were confused as well. Say you are working on the user whose ID == 6 and whose no underscore of underscore logins == 30 when you start. The point. By referencing the class instead of the instance, you can get flask-sqlalchemy to be smarter about incrementing, getting it to happen on the database side instead of the Python side. Doing it within the database is better since it's less vulnerable to data corruption. For example, 2 clients attempt to increment at the same time with a net result of only 1 increment instead of 2. I assume it's possible to do the incrementing in Python if you set locks or bump up the isolation level, but why bother if you don't have to? A caveat. If you are going to increment twice via code that produces SQL like set no underscore of underscore logins equals no underscore of underscore logins plus 1, then you will need to commit or at least flush in between increments, or else you will only get 1 increment in total.
I wrote Telegram bot, and have some problem with update rows. Use this example, if you have model. Why use db.session.flush? That's why flask-sqlalchemy. What's the difference between flush and commit?
With the help of user equals user.query.filter underscore by username equals form.username.data, first statement you will get the specified user in user variable. Now you can change the value of the new object variable like user.no underscore of underscore logins plus equals 1 and save the changes with the sessions commit method.
Vorderrutschau, Pussensüß 2.